January 6, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English.
I want to learn about Korean food. What can you teach me?
How about making Doenjanjjigae? It's really easy.
Sounds great. What do I need?
You'll need soybean paste, tofu, and some vegetables. Just so you know, it's very healthy.
Perfect.
Don't sweat it. I'll show you step by step.
Expressions to remember. How about? Sounds great. Soybean paste. Vegetable. Just so you know. Healthy. Don't sweat it. Step by step.
January 7, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English. First, chop the vegetables. I like to use zucchini and mushrooms.
Got it. Then what?
Next, boil some water and add the soybean paste. Stir it until it dissolves.
Easy enough. Should I add the tofu now?
Yes, add the tofu and vegetables. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes.
Expressions to remember. Chop. Zucchini. Mushroom. Got it. Stir. Dissolve. Easy enough. Simmer.
January 8, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English.
I can't get enough of this kimchi fried rice.
I like it so much, I could eat it every day.
Can you help me learn to make it? But just so you know, I'm not a good cook.
There's nothing to it really. Let me walk you through it.
Great. I can't wait. Can I swing by later today?
Expressions to remember. Can't get enough of. Just so you know. Walk somebody through. I can't wait. Swing by. January 9, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English. First, chop the kimchi and vegetables. Can you heat some oil in the pan?
Got it. Am I doing it right?
You're doing fine. Now add the kimchi. Stir fry it for a few minutes.
Oh, okay. Ooh, I'm getting nervous.
Jim, focus. Now add the rice and mix it well with the kimchi. Voila!
Expressions to remember. Heat. Do something right. Stir fry. For a few minutes. Get nervous. Focus. Rice. Voila!
January 10, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English.
I just finished watching Crash Landing on You. It was so good.
I loved that one.
The chemistry between the leads was amazing.
They actually got married in real life.
Right. I picked up sarangyo. It means, I love you, right?
Yes. You're getting better at this.
Expressions to remember. Finish ing. Crash landing on. Chemistry. Leads. Get married. In real life. Pick up. Get better.